1-inch SV series manual tank body valve disassembly. Using a hex key, remove the clip bolt. Slide and lift the clip off of the valve stem. Loosen the stop bolt and remove the handle assembly. Remove the clamp assembly. Slide the handle adapter off of the valve stem. Use a pick to remove the O-ring from the base of the adapter. Remove the clamp gasket. Remove the stem assembly from the flange side of the valve. Use a screwdriver and mallet to tap the bottom cover out from the inside of the valve. Remove the PTFE body seat. Use a pick to remove the bottom cover O-ring and the seat seal ring from the valve stem. Remove the 4 adapter bolts and lock washers. Remove the valve body and the flange gasket. 1-inch SV series manual tank body valve disassembly.